finally a log that I think I'll pick. Well, a log that I'm going to do about stocks. Where my original intention idea started from. As you can see, my cigarette's wildly on fire. I'm trying to light up a trash can. Shouldn't be doing it in that either, but hey, it doesn't catch fire. Alright, so here's the deal. Have to look at a stock or market, S&P. We want to look at S&P. Most basic, or just to see, just to project where it's going next. Always. Candlesticks will be the most important because they'll give us a daily or over a few days a formation closer than maybe a head and shoulders or wave pattern. We're going to use wave patterns and stuff like that. We're going to use wave patterns to determine, through trial and error, is the best way to put a wave pattern that works out in our favor, so we can put on trades that way. And we can use other things like, listening to the news type of stuff as contrary indicators depending on the situation. But technicals for first and foremost important. So here's what I got for S&P right now. We're running into resistance, which is still about 962, so about a good 50 some points away. 50 points is a huge number. Today the market was down pretty good, and that was probably like 30 points. So yeah, one day drop of that many points is crucial. Today was a crucial drop. Shit, it's funny, can't remember today. Oh, down 20 points at 2, and down 20 points, 2.15%, negative 2%. That's pretty huge. Negative 2.1, yeah, negative 2% is huge. 2.5 is huger. So that's a pretty decent drop or a rally. So that's like 4% away. I'm estimating. That's the 200-day moving average. So if we do run up and we don't do this pattern, let's just look at the chart. Alright, so we have we have this S&P. This is the March low. Zoom out a little bit. That's what it looks like. It fell, made a V-shaped bottom. We're right there. Right now we're right there. So look at this wave pattern I developed from that day. So we're seeing a leg down now. If we shoot up, this head and shoulders right here. Head and shoulders could cause it because the neckline is right there. You see the neckline? Shit, I think everything is going to come out backwards in the camera. I don't know. Let's see. That's what it's showing on my monitor. I think that might be retarded. Neckline right there. So if you measure the neckline down to the head, you get approximate run up of, I would say, projection number 2. Possible run up of head and shoulder projection 1060. We can run up, or we can break this down to A. A, as far as you know, LA wave will go down to A. We'll lift back up to make a downwards trend to match 5, and then that will make it B. The run up will make it B, and then we'll drop down all the way to C, and that will probably start a crucial drop down to maybe, I don't know, 6. I think, if you're looking at the Dow, I know the numbers, but on here, let me just estimate. Let me see, we may drop down to like 670, maybe 700. So that's like 200 points off. That's very crucial. 25 points is 2%. 200 points would be 20%. And that's pretty crucial drop. But we've come up that much. We've come up about 28, 30%, 32% from our lows in March. So a lot of money to be made. So anyway, technical analysis will do that. So I'm going to try to speculate. Every day I think it's a good strategy to speculate where the market could be going. And what trade you would put on if it were to go that way. Candlesticks will probably be your last bet in making the trade that way. And maybe you can look at 60-minute charts to refine what's the best time to buy. Like what's the bottom of support and resistance there, and where it's at in relativity to its support and resistance where the price currently stands. Relativity to its moving average. Moving average would be good. So that's my video for now. That was pretty good. It's my first video. Display. Guess I gotta learn to stop saying so much. Go silent. I do spirituality. Silence is a big thing. Silence is a big thing.